Welcome to Pouse Around the House. Today we're looking at part 23 of my series of loft conversion videos where I fit clay capped ridge tiles to the hips of the roof. If you want to see me fit the same clay tiles to the ridge of the roof and the ridge of the rear dormer, you can go to part 22 in my series of loft conversion videos by clicking on the link in the description section below. Anyway, enough of that, let's get out on the roof. So back on the roof, and today we're going to be putting the ridge tiles on these hips here. Now, keep the angle slightly different here. I'm going to have to place it back along this hip here, just to raise the height slightly so I get a good penetration with the screw. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So like before, I've just done a dry run here with my guide, making sure that the line is right over my batten that I just secured. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to remove a few of these now and start putting the mortar in place and bed them down.
Drums, I'm reading magazines. You're turning heads, I'm turning none. I wish that you were looking up to me, just staring down the barrel of a loaded gun. And in your eyes there's no surprise you're losing. I'll get over it.
I'm going to leave the top now. We're going to go over on the other side, and then we'll work out how to cut the top one later on once I got the bulk of them in place. So I've done a dry run again on this side, lined them all up. Put a little pencil mark at the bottom where I want the bottom ridge tile to go. Put them back off now. Let's get the mortar on and bed them in place. Brush that off when it's dried up a bit. Right, I've run out of ridge tiles, so I can't do the last one there or the last one on the other side. I need to work out what I'm going to do anyway, so I think I'm going to slice the top off them, so that as they go up, I'll slice the ridge then, so that the sides go all the way up. At the top then we cover over with this folder lead. I've got to put another piece of lead under that lead, just get over the top. So that's that one done. So now I'm back on the other side. That's the other one that we did earlier. So you can see at the top we've got the same scenario. We've got another ridge tile to go in there, and we've got to put another piece of lead over it, so I've got to order 2 more of those. It was too short. Then if you look inside here, what I've been doing at today, Pouse has been in there, adding a few 2x4s inside the frame for the window. He's been doing the lead flashing. Then across the front there, over that lead apron, you can see a row of slates. It's 2 rows of slates, so 1 row, then another one over the top. alternating as you do, slate pattern. And then once this is done, we're going to put lead soakers up the sides there. So we've got to overlap these with a soaker, cut a slate, but before we do that we realise we've got to put a piece of OSB board on the two ends there. So that's the next thing. So that's it for today's video, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you're new to my channel and haven't already done so, then please subscribe and press the bell symbol for regular notifications of my video uploads. And if you want to see more of my loft conversion videos, you can click on the links in the description section below. So for more DIY, how-to, household tips and product review, please watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.